Welcome to today's deep dive. We are so glad you're here. Today, our source material is a detailed e-commerce page from HDTVSupply.
Yeah, and we're looking at a serious piece of hardware today.
Exactly. It's the Zenty ZT-203. Basically, a massive 75-inch interactive whiteboard. Our mission today is to discover what this hardware reveals about the evolution of collaborative tech in business and education.
Right, because it's a huge step up from what we're used to.
Okay, let's unpack this. It is genuinely interesting to see how far this tech has come from the, old clunky dry erase board and projector setups we all used to tolerate.
Oh, absolutely. It really is a massive shift. I mean, we are looking at an all-in-one hub designed to dissolve the friction of modern collaboration.
Whether you're in the same room or working globally.
Precisely. And the specs back that up.
Right, looking at the specs, they aren't messing around. You've got a 75-inch 4K display that's 3840 by 2160 resolution.
With a 5,000 to 1 contrast ratio.
Yeah, and 350 nits of brightness and 1.07 billion colors. It's built to handle complex visual data without just, washing out under harsh fluorescent office lights.
What's fascinating here is the interactivity. It features 20-point multi-touch.
Which sounds crazy for a screen that big.
It does, but it means you can have multiple people at the board simultaneously, annotating, dragging data, resizing 3D models.
And the system doesn't lag or get confused?
No, not at all. It turns a passive presentation into an active, tactile working session.
Anyone who has ever awkwardly searched for the right HDMI dongle while 10 executives stare at them can definitely appreciate this next part.
Ah, the brains of the operation.
Exactly. Here's where it gets really interesting. It uses a slot-in PC configuration, and this specific model runs both Android and Windows.
Which is unique, right? Because the source notes their ZT-445 model is Android only.
Right.
That dual OS setup is the real differentiator here. You get the quick app-based ecosystem of Android if you don't want to walk in and start a casual ideation session.
Just turn it on and go.
Yeah. But then you can seamlessly switch to the Windows environment to run heavy-duty corporate software or complex rendering.
It completely solves the classic IT bottleneck in conference rooms. But with all that power, I have to wonder about the business model.
The pricing is wild.
Right. At a price point of just $700 for a 75-inch touchscreen, where is the compromise? Let's look at the vendor behind this, HDTVSupply.
Scale definitely plays a huge role here. They have been in the audio and video business for 25 years with over 10,000 positive reviews.
Their inventory is staggering, too.
Yeah, they list over 2,000 different matrix switchers alone. Plus, they handle GSA and TAA compliant products.
And for anyone who hasn't dealt with large-scale procurement, TAA compliance is crucial if you are outfitting government or federal projects.
Right, where those strict foreign manufacturing restrictions apply.
Exactly.
That's a vital point. And because of that massive scale, they've aggressively priced this to disrupt the market. I mean, $700.
Plus there are discounts, right?
Yeah, the source actually lists a 25% discount code. You literally type in 25% off. And then there's an extra 5% off if you use a wire transfer.
Wow. And that's backed by free USA shipping and a 60-day return policy.
And a 5-year Zenty warranty. Along with lifetime technical support, they are just systematically removing every barrier to entry for schools and businesses.
It is a totally different landscape than even 5 years ago.
If we connect this to the bigger picture, features like multimedia playback, seamless wireless connections, built-in remote teaching capabilities, and instant screen sharing, all of that makes this the ultimate tool for flexible environments.
Bridging the gap between in-room and remote participants.
Flawlessly.
So what does this all mean for you? Well, whether you are prepping to lead a high-stakes corporate meeting or you're an administrator trying to outfit a modern classroom, you're looking at the new baseline.
Yeah, seamless interactive communication is no longer a luxury reserved for the executive boardroom.
It is the standard expectation.
This actually raises an important question to leave you with.
Let's hear it.
If a 75-inch, 20-point touch 4K screen with built-in Windows and Android is becoming the highly accessible standard hardware for just $700,
right,
what happens to the traditional concept of a physical office when literally any wall can instantly become a globally connected, fully interactive digital workspace?